It will be another 4 months before borrowers are expected to pay their federal student loans. It's one of many moves the Biden administration is making to try to help the economy in a time where we've seen prices of everyday necessities skyrocket. Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona joins me now for more. Mr. Secretary, thank you so much for making some time for us today.
Happy to be with you. Thank you.
Sure. So the Biden administration just extended a pause of federal student loan payments and promised borrowers a, quote, fresh start in September, which I know you've been talking a lot about. So help us understand what you hope that fresh start accomplishes for these borrowers.
Of course. Well, we're really pleased that we're able to make this announcement. We know that while the economy is improving and we have more jobs than in the last 40 years in this past year, we know Americans are still hurting. And we know that providing this pause for another 4 months allows Americans to get back into work, to reestablish childcare and the costs that come with that. And this fresh start is another great opportunity for those who are in delinquency or defaulted in their loans to have a fresh start, to get back on their feet and start fresh, to make sure that there's no marks on their credit score so that they can continue to move forward as they repay their loans.
And I know you've been asked to make this distinction already. It certainly does not mean a zero balance. But just this week, the White House pushed Congress again to work on canceling up to $10,000 in student loan debt. While he campaigned on the trail, we heard President Biden talk about how important that is. But how realistic do you think that is for people who might be, crossing their fingers that that comes through?
Yeah, we know how important it is to our borrowers to hear more on that. The president made it very clear when campaigning the important role that Congress has in this as well. And while, many question whether or not Congress is going to be able to do this, it is important for the president to communicate this joint partnership that we have to protect our borrowers, to make sure we're caring for Americans in many different ways. And I want to be clear, however, since day one, the president has been very focused on making sure we're protecting our borrowers and putting them first in the conversations and the decisions that we're making. We've done over $17 billion in loan forgiveness. We've discharged loans for those who have total and permanent disability, including many veterans across the country. And we've also discharged loans for those who were taken advantage of by their institutions or their lenders. We really are revisiting how we're supporting our borrowers here. We fixed public service loan forgiveness, which means loan forgiveness is available now for teachers, nurses, doctors who have been serving in the public for at least 10 years and have made payments toward their loans. Their loans should be forgiven. We want to make sure our borrowers are listening. We're trying to keep them front and center in the conversations while we continue to have conversations about broader debt relief.
And I know the conversation continues too for COVID, which has really changed the game for educators, for students. And we're seeing now an uptick in COVID cases in some parts of the country. How are you working with schools to respond? Are you encouraging any revisiting of mitigation measures? What are you doing to work with these schools?
Right. We are watching also what's happening and seeing that in some pockets of our country, we are seeing increased cases. I have to say, I'm really proud of the work our schools have done to stay open during the Delta variant, during the Omicron variant. We had over 95% of our schools open full time during those variants. And I expect that schools will remain open, period. We have better mitigation strategies. We have vaccination availability that's greater now than ever before. So I want to make sure that our local leaders and our state leaders continue to do what they've been doing, which includes communicating regularly with health officials to make sure that if it's necessary to revisit mitigation strategies, that they're doing it. I made it very clear, we are not done with the pandemic. We have to ensure the physical and emotional health of our students and our staff, and that means monitoring case spread in our community and hospitalizations, and also making sure we're making prudent decisions to keep our community safe.
And of course, it's not just the physical impact of COVID, but a new CDC study details how some of the negative mental health impacts of COVID-19 has had on high school students. Is there anything that the Department of Education is doing to address this?
Yeah, as a parent of two high schoolers myself, I can affirm the fact that for our high schoolers and our middle schoolers, the academic impact is important, but the social and emotional impact has been pretty significant. We have to make sure that when we come back to our schools and when we're thinking about schools for next year, mental health supports are a bigger part of it. So what we're doing at the Department of Education is providing guidance around how to use the American Rescue Plan funds, $130 billion out there, to do just that, provide additional mental health supports for our students and give them an opportunity to catch up on missed instruction, but also get the supports that they need for the supports, the mental health supports they need. I'll share with you that students are 6 times more likely to access mental health supports in their schools than anywhere else. So we need to level up in our schools and provide the supports that our students need.
For sure. Thank you so much, Secretary Miguel Cardona, for talking with us today, and we hope to see you back here soon.
Thank you. Have a good day.